Hey guys, what's up, and it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Oppo A5s versus a Vivo Y93. And Oppo A5s is giving you a MediaTek Helio P35 processor with a 3GB RAM, while the Y93 is giving you a Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 processor with a 3GB RAM. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. And Vivo Y93 is just a tiny bit faster there, and A5s is right behind, 1 second difference there, and everything is close up in the background. And the first application is the phone dialer, and faster on the A5s. Y93 is right behind the settings, and that was about the same on both phones. You guys are the judge of the speed test. The calculator and faster on the A5s, and Y93 is right behind. My clock, and that was about the same on both phones. The calendar, and that is super duper faster on the Y93. Launching some more application like the My Files, and again faster on the A5s, and Y93 is right behind. The Candy Crush, the first game application, and Oppo A5s is faster than the Snapdragon 439 inside the Y93. The Subway Surfer on both phones. Y93 is faster because A5s is showing me a logging thing, so that is why a huge difference in this game. Last game application we have the Temper Run 2. Oppo A5s is faster, and Vivo Y93 is right behind. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera, and faster, and that was about the same on both phones. Launching the internet browser on both phones, Vivo internet browser versus a Google Chrome. Show you guys what is the speed in internet browser, and the first website is theapple.com, and say Wi-Fi network on both phones. And Vivo Y93 is faster, and A5s is also done, looking very smooth on both phones. You guys are the judge of the speed test. Let's see the RAM measurement, and that got refresh on the Y93. Both phones is giving you a 3GB RAM. Again refresh on the Y93. And last is the internet browser on both phones. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Oppo A5s, and one game application faster on the Y93, and Y93 is right behind to the Oppo A5s when it comes to speed. RAM measurement is very good on A5s, but it is very bad on the Y93. Thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Oppo A5s versus a Vivo Y93. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.